think about holding a remote control or forming a thumbs up. Thumb is extended out and these fingers here are curved. So you want to avoid stiff wrists and flat fingers trying to pick like this or pick like this. So thumb extended, finger slightly curved. Don't pick up here as sometimes it'll pick up fret sounds. Rest your thumb where the fretboard meets the sound hole. Strings are numbered from the ground up. The A string is number 1 and the G string is number 4, which is the one closest to you. Thumb will pick down on the 4th, index the 3rd string, middle finger the 2nd string, and the ring finger will pick up on the 1st string. You want to keep your hand light and your shoulder nice and relaxed. I have got a strap on. If you don't have a strap, you can put your uke on your lap. Most importantly, your hand is not doing the work of the picking and trying to hold it up at the same time. Place them on the strings, lift them up, and place them back. Just do that a few times. Don't look at the strings, go by feel. Count 1 and 2, and on the ands, you deaden. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you can see my fingers are still here. They're not out here. This gives me more control. The index, and do the same exercise. Make sure you count out loud. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, but keep the ring there. And the bottom one. 3 and 4 and. The next exercise, pinch all 4 at once, thumb down, fingers up, and then place them back to mute. And then count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Helps you feel coordination and balance between the fingers and the thumb. Let's do a third exercise, short and long durations in terms of beats. The longer the duration of the note, the more you can afford to lift your fingers. The shorter the duration, the less you would lift your finger. Let's do long ones. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then go to short. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. A 6/8 picking pattern is 6 beats to the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strings. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Think of a gentle rolling rhythm. Great for songs like Hallelujah, Amazing Grace, or Ed Sheeran's Perfect. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I'm on a G. And then E minor. It's a simple picking pattern. It repeats all the way through. And then that's a C and then a D. I found a groove, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. I can go into a strum if you want to. Another picking pattern is 4/4 time. We can go strings 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You can add in string 4 as well as string 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's 8th beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now you can reverse that and do this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You may well use this one to start with and then move to that. On the G chord, do the first one. C chord going down. We're still doing da, 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 keeping that rhythmic flow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But we are going to change it up. Start on string 1 for the first bar, and then for the second bar, start on string 4. So I'll show you an example. Go back to the G, and then on the C, so I haven't changed the rhythm of the song. I'm still going bum 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 bum. One time I'm coming up, going from 1 up, and the second chord going from 4 down. Like you might vary a strum pattern in a song, do a roll strum on one of them, or on the second bar, on the G, on the C. It's the same with picking patterns, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just like with strums, it's good to count eighth beats. You've got your 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're just adding an and in between, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Always ending on the and, because you've started on the 1 and, you've got a 2 and, you've got a 3 and you've got a 4 and. If you're brand new to fingerpicking and you've never played before, think about things that you do naturally with your hand. Thumbs up, your thumb is extended out. 1 finger per string. Practice slowly at first and very rhythmically, always counting and verbalizing or vocalizing. Practice singing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alternate between long and short notes. Just like you might do long and short strums. Right, you could do the same with your finger picking. That's where picking and strumming are the same. Rhythm's at the basis of everything you do. Speed comes naturally with control. Give your fingers a sense of being home. Then all you have to do is pick them, rather than where she stops and nobody knows. In terms of practice, 5 to 10 minutes a day, and just try to do that for a week, you would really notice some difference. It may take longer, it's fine. Just don't give up.